We will unbox the other airplane. We will open here. Oh, it's a long one. Other one. Sit down here. Where are the wings here? Put it down. Put it down here. Here. Come here. Help Mama. Sit properly. We will assemble, huh? This wing is here. Okay. How to put it? Oh my gosh. A bit hard. I don't know how. Now we put already the wings. Now the tail. Oh, things like this. The other side here. It's here, baby, this side. And this one. I don't know where. I think here. You think so? I don't know where. It's a fun. Where's the fun? So this one is here. Sige, we'll try, babe. We'll try. Oops. The wings. We'll try it here, Zido. Dali. Turn on there. Turn on. It's not running? Turn on. I already replaced a new battery. Oh wow, very nice. Oh, it's dancing, Zido.